Friday morning. New look, still can't hide my born. I got a pocket full of change-ups. I switch hit, I'm a stranger. Consist on ain't something I could say well. Throw my change into the wishing for a change. Well, wish a day is swell life for the next come. And when the next come, pretend that it's the best one. Like I ain't even gonna try and say that to the next one. Switch my living situation every chance that I be getting. Sick of running laps on Sisyphus's treadmill. Man, I really need to sit still. Seems like that ain't something I could instill.
Ebb and flow, I can hold on to you very much longer. Might have to slip away.
So you wanna know how to quickly improve your drawings in digital art. So probably this is based on my experience of almost 2 months of starting my digital art process, of how I managed to improve in just 2 months. Since guys, I am no longer a beginner now because it's been 2 months now. So finally I got the courage to tell you what I've been through about my practicing in digital art. So step 1. Focus on the basic sketching with a black and white, or start on a simple sketch. So Josh, why not just start or explore the color wheel and make some detailed portrait or some things like that? It's definitely okay to start with that, but for me guys, based on my experience, this is how I prepare to starting on. Because if you're a beginner, you need to be confident with your sketching and be familiar with the subject like you're working on. Dahil parang traditional art lang yan, so it's the same process I always doing in traditional. So if you really want to quickly improve your drawing skills in a short amount of time, I definitely recommend you guys to start with the basic shapes or doing with the reference and apply a little bit styles, and most of all guys to keep it simple, because I regret this. When nung nagsisimula pa lang ako ng digital art, I did not apply these practicing exercises to me because I don't know yet and just relying on making a perfect portrait with my skills. So I just stuck there in just 1.5 months creating a digital portrait. And here's the thing, I didn't realize that it would be better for me to do a simple warm-up sketching using a reference and try not to do it for long because you will stuck there. So I prefer to always keep it simple guys and study the reference to able to remember the structure of the face, and so on. Always repeat that process to be confident with your sketching. So far for now, I'll be focusing on something like this and also find what really is my style on digital art. So step 2, try to practice at least every day, because this is the most useful way and the best of all to quickly improve your digital art style. Except me, I'm addicted to watch anime movies and American series, and I can get rid of it, so maybe yeah. I know you do this also, so you know when I mean it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So in the step 3, focus is the only way you need to practice all the time when you are drawing. Because like me, I got so easily distracted by my phone. So sometimes I find myself scrolling to Instagram and in TikTok. So if you really need to focus on something, you need to get rid all that stuff and start drawing. Hanggat sa mapunta tayo sa step 4, the sacrifices. So you know what I mean it. Get rid all that distraction if you're really serious of improving your digital art, because if you continue these habits of watching movies or watching porn, you will lose your focus of causing you a art block. You know what I'm saying? Oh yes. So again, get rid all that stuff and stop thinking and start painting. That's easy. Josh, what are you saying? Di naman yung madali ah. I know it's not that easy, but hang on, you will get used to it. Because you know, that's bad for your health. So if you break that habits, it will be totally worth it.
遊びに連れてってくれる父も父に優しい
Okay, back to drawing stuff. When you are practicing, always have a reference. This is the best practice I always been doing before starting to draw. So if you need a reference of how to do things right about human anatomy, Wimfox is one of the best solution of all that stuff about figure sketching. So if you want to start about learning the human anatomy, Wimfox can give you a course tutorial about simplifying the human figure into basic shapes. And it will help you memorize the human anatomy and learn how to break it down into simple shapes, like I always been doing. This course can give you a step-by-step process of how to draw a reference in correct way and also the easy way. So if you want to learn about creating your character in much easy way and faster, this course will be perfect for you to start it on. Also, this course will give you a chapter 7 into 30 lessons. So yeah, it would be worth it. So if you go this course, this will definitely useful, especially if you're a beginner. And yes, of course, it will give you a really cheap price. So I will link it in my description so that you guys can check it out. So thank you Wingfox for sponsoring this video. So now in the step 5 for the last one, creating a masterpiece. And you probably ask me why to create a finished artwork. So if you're a starter in digital art and you pass all the exercises I mentioned and you're confident in your outlines or the sketch, you're probably gonna try to make something new that you will enjoy most, which is trying to make a semi-realism work and bringing the colors. I always doing this for at 9 p.m. at night because that time is very peaceful kasi nga katabi lang ako ng kalsada dito. So kasi pag araw nga napakaingay dito kaya di talaga ako nakakapag-focus. Also, you probably gonna ask me gaano ko katagal tatapos ang isang artwork katulad nito. Let's say that moment when I'm drawing, I also watching the Umbrella Academy. So siguro in total it would be 2 hours to 3 hours. Pero kung hindi siguro ako nanonood at nakikinig lang sa music, siguro mga nasa 1 hour and 30 minutes lang. Also guys, if you have a bigger screen like 22-inch monitor tablet, you better try to not to zoom in out because it's much better to not to. Because some of the other professional artists do the same, and also me of course. I think this technique will help you to quickly finish your work of not worrying with the details. So yeah, it's finally finished guys. This is a gotten so far, and also I made it more simple and not to rely much on the details. And here's the reveal.
뻔한 일